Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is September 29, 2015. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. All right, when we take a look at the charts here, you're going to see the S&P 500 E-mini futures are bouncing higher. They're now trading up by 11.5 points to 1883.5 per contract. Futures were absolutely mauled and slaughtered yesterday. The S&P finishing down nearly 50 points yesterday. So we are seeing a little bit of a rebound. We'll see if it's a turnaround Tuesday. I'm not so sure we're going to get a full turnaround Tuesday, but nonetheless, the markets are rebounding a little bit before the opening bell. So we'll see how this plays out today. As always, we have some stocks in the news, and that's what we're looking for. Let's take a look at Autodesk. I did see some news there. Right now, the stock is trading at $46.55, closed at $46.15. So it's not a big move by any means. We'll see if the stock can get up to maybe some higher levels here. There's still a lot of resistance around 48 bucks, but again, a little bit of an uptick. We will be watching this one in the intraday stock chat room. And again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat, and you'll see everything that we're doing in there. We're having a stellar 2015. We're going to look to keep that going today. Next one on the radar is going to be Yahoo. Everybody knows the name. Looks like they're getting closer to that spin-off deal with the Alibaba IPO. So again, Yahoo right now is trading at $28.70, closed at $27.60 on Friday. So good little pop there for Yahoo. We'll see where it goes. Right now, looking at the stock, there's still a ton of resistance around $29.50. So it will need to clear that level first, and we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. But again, Yahoo will be in play this morning, and we'll see how that plays out. Stock I'm going to talk about now is ESPR, Esperion. Looks like they had a drug. Looks like the FDA is going to need more evidence for their drug to get approved. Stock is trading down. I figured out a calculation at around $24.10. I don't know if it gets there, but if it does get to that level and you want to give it a shot, that's an aggressive play. But $24.10 is a level I'm seeing for ESPR this morning. So again, Esperion Therapeutics trading down on some news that the FDA needs more evidence before they approve their drug. And again, I'm looking at $24.10 as a mathematical level, mathematical only. All right, let's take a look at ARMH, ticker symbol ARMH. And what you're going to see here is the stock is trading down this morning at $41.18. I believe this was a downgrade, but you could check out the news for yourself. We'll see where this one goes. The only level that really gets me interested in this name is around 35.5. I don't know if we'd see that today, but if we do, that's where I would be stepping up and being a buyer. Let's take a look at Sony Corp. Sony right now is trading down at $23.26, closed at $24.05, so that's a decent little dip. Stock is showing me some support around $22.80, so keep that on the radar. Might even be $22.85, $22.80, in that vicinity. That is where I am seeing some support for Sony. If that level fails to hold, then you're looking all the way down at around $19. Next up, we're going to talk about Nippon Telephone, NTT. And again, this is trading down on some volume here. So this is at $33.70. We'll see where this opens up. Honestly, I've rarely ever traded this stock. I think I've done it a handful of times in my life. But a level I'll be watching today would be $30.65. So if it does come down to $30.65, I think that's a level where you could step into NTT, which is Nippon Telegraph and Telephone. So keep that on the radar, $30.65. It may get down there. All right, let's take a look at the gold market today. Gold is trading down about $2.50. Take a look at the GLD here. What you're going to see is GLD is trading around 108.25. It's not a big deal, 108.23. So gold is down a little bit on spot. Crude oil futures on spot price bouncing today, trading up by 71 cents to $45.14. So the USO is getting a little bit of a bid. That's going to help some energy stocks. Yesterday, energy stocks were absolutely annihilated. So again, we'll watch that today. But crude oil getting a little bit of a bid today. That will help the energy stocks for the most part from what I can see. So we'll see how that plays out. We'll see where it goes, and we'll see what today brings us. Right now, the S&P 500 E-mini futures are up 11.5 points. We'll see if the market could stabilize itself, or does it have more downside in the cards. That remains to be seen. So again, if you haven't done so, come on over, trade alongside of us. Take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat, and you'll see everything that we're doing each and every day. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.